Hi friends, great welcome to our space education platform. Today let we all know the interesting informations about Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite.
NASA's Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite, LCROSS, was launched with the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter to determine if water ice exists in a permanently shadowed crater at the Moon's south pole. As planned, LCROSS and its Centaur stage impacted the Moon on October 9, 2009. LCROSS and LRO found evidence that the lunar soil and shadowy craters is rich in useful materials, and that the Moon is chemically active and has a water cycle. Scientists also confirmed the water was in the form of mostly pure ice crystals in some places. Mission. The main LCROSS mission objective is to confirm the presence or absence of water ice in a permanently shadowed crater near a lunar polar region. What is LCROSS? The Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite. The orbiting spacecraft Lunar Prospector had sensed large amounts of hydrogen at the Moon's poles. In the span of just 2 years, NASA's Ames Research Center, and California's Silicon Valley, developed a mission that reached out and touched the hydrogen detected on the Moon. That crater contained material that may not have seen direct sunlight for billions of years. Because the Moon has very little tilt on its axis, the sun never shines on the bottom of some craters at the poles. Never rising above -280 degrees Fahrenheit, these permanently shadowed craters trap material, like water ice, that might otherwise have burned off in the sun. 4 minutes was all the time the LCROSS spacecraft had to fly through the lunar dust, soil and other debris lifted into the air by the empty rocket's impact. The spacecraft and science instruments. During the LCROSS mission's more than 120 days, the spacecraft shepherded its empty rocket stage to the Moon. This long journey allowed time to ensure it was empty of any water it may still have been carrying in its batteries or fuel tanks. This time also allowed the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter to map the hydrogen at the Moon's poles using the latest technology to provide the best and most up-to-date information on where LCROSS should to aim. Milestones. June 18, 2009, LCROSS launches, along with a Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter spacecraft, on an atmosphere rocket from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. October 9, 2009, the mission's impactor and primary spacecraft impact the lunar surface in the permanently shadowed region of Cabeus Crater, near the Moon's south pole. November 13, 2009, NASA announces results from the LCROSS mission, confirming the discovery of water during the lunar impacts a month earlier. A visible light camera. The spacecraft's camera using ordinary visible light tracked the impact location. And the shape and changes in the debris plume when illuminated by sunlight. A high-speed, visible light photometer. This instrument was designed to measure the initial flash of light created by the impact of the rocket upper stage that was predicted to last less than a second.